and welcome to my new Guitar-Nerdery video, referring to the probably difficult part to play, those quarter triplets. Today I'd like to explain how you can get them right in time. If we could compare the world of rhythm with the world of harmonies, my kind of thinking is I'm thinking about triplets and straight note values, like I'm thinking about major and minor. It's important to master them all equally. Talking about triplets, the general talk is about eighth triplets, and quarter triplets are not really on schedule for practicing. But those quarter triplets are actually more difficult to play than those eighth triplets. Quarter triplets are the half of eighth triplets. And to get them right in time, you need an eighth triplet grid, an imaginary grid in your head. You gotta train that. Now we're gonna turn up the volume of our imaginary eighth triplet grid. But before we're gonna do that, let me explain what we're gonna do with the grid. We of course tap along with our foot in fourth to get the beat. Then first we start to clap along all eighth triplets. Then we start to clap each second triplet more quietly until you do not hear them. And what stays are quarter triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the... Quarter triplets. And there's one more quarter triplet possibility in a bar. You can start on the second eighth note. 1, the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and 2. To hear the difference, I'm gonna change both versions each bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, let's play both versions on the guitar. 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the... Quarter triplets are easily confused with pointed eighths, but if you build up that imaginary grid in your head, that should prevent it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.